So we have sodium thiosulphate in our burette, and we have filled iodine into our conical flask, and we're going to add starch solution to the iodine. You can see a blue-black color. Right now, that blue-black color we're going to titrate with the sodium thiosulphate in the burette, and when it's the end point, you will see a color disappearance of the color of this iodine. It's very close. I think we got a lighter purple, so we need to add a little bit more of sodium thiosulphate, and it will disappear the color, right? A few more drops you have to, like, yeah, it seems that's enough, right? It does the thing, right? Okay. Yeah, it was a very small volume of sodium thiosulphate because I took a little bit of higher concentration of sodium thiosulphate, and I took a sample of very dilute iodine solution. So you could see the color changing to colorless from the blue-black, right? If you want to test it whether it has any more iodine left in the conical flask, what you can do is you can take some starch solution and add to the conical flask and see whether it turns blue-black. As you can see, there's no blue-black in the conical flask, no appearance of blue-black, which proves the absence of iodine, right? Okay, now this is the titration between iodine and sodium thiosulphate. Let's do one more time to get a revision. Before that, we'll take the burette reading. We actually got a little higher concentration here, so it was it was really concentrated. Let me turn the burette to this side. Yeah, you can see the volume. In this case, the volume used is it's like 5. It's exactly like 6 cubic centimeters here. You can see it like 6 cubic centimeters. This is not focusing properly. Okay, right. You can see it's 6 cubic centimeters. Okay, yeah, then we are going to take